Let's take a look at one of those unsung heroes in the DIY world, the RYOBI ONE 18-volt Cordless Dual Function Inflator Deflator. This little beast might look compact, but trust me, it packs a serious punch. First off, it's part of the ONE family, meaning if you've already got RYOBI batteries lying around, you're good to go. Over 300 tools share the same battery system, so no extra chargers cluttering up your garage, and you don't need to get new batteries either. High pressure mode is perfect for tires, sports balls, and even the wheelbarrow. No more gas station runs, no more quarters wasted. With this inflator, there is no need to go to the gas station anymore. Plus, who can go to the gas station on a flat tire? Nobody, because you run the risk of damaging your tire. If you have a flat tire, you can inflate it anywhere with this RYOBI inflator, just as long as it's a puncture and not a slash on the tire, of course. The dimensions of this tool are 7.5 inches in depth, 6 inches in height, and 4.25 inches in width. And the weight is 7 pounds. Up to 160 psi, which makes it ideal for high pressure application from filling tires to sports balls. High volume inflation and deflation of pool toys, air mattresses, and other large inflatables. LCD screen for easy and accurate measurement readings. Hands-free use with auto shut-off when desired psi is reached. Quick connect air chuck. Onboard LED work light. Integrated carrying handle. Onboard storage for hoses and accessories. Sweeper nozzle, good to blow dust debris off small surfaces. Narrow pinch valve nozzle, good to inflate narrow or small valve openings. Pinch valve nozzle, good to inflate standard or large size inflatables. Pinch valve adapter, good to inflate balloons and other small inflatables. As you'll see in the next demonstration, we have an almost flat tire down to 7 psi. We'll go ahead and turn on the inflator. This is set to turn off once the desired psi is reached, and that is 35. This is set to inflate tires. You can choose either tire or mattress mode. Obviously, we're using the tire mode here. As you'll see here, it is currently 2:23 p.m. We'll run this non-stop. You don't have to be holding any button yourself. This is filling it up on its own. You can also turn on the LED light if it's late in the evening and you have to use this in the dark. We'll go ahead and speed up the process here, and we finally finished filling the tire at 2:27 p.m. meaning it took less than 5 minutes to have the tire filled up to the 35 psi. It will depend on each tire size, but you have an idea now on how long it takes, which is about 4 to 5 minutes. You can also inflate a variety of sports balls such as basketballs, soccer balls, footballs, as you'll see here in this video. This can be used for pool floats, air mattresses, camping gear, tires, balls, wheelbarrows, and can be inflated in minutes. And when it's time to pack up, hit deflate and watch everything shrink down fast as well. And here's the kicker. It's affordable. For under 40 bucks right now, you're saving time, saving hassle, and saving money compared to other bigger, bulkier inflators. Compact, cordless, and ready whenever you are. Toss it in your trunk, keep it in the garage, or bring it camping. It's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you've got it. And then you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So whether it's keeping your tires safe, your gear ready, or your weekend stress-free, the RYOBI ONE 18-volt Cordless Dual Function Inflator Deflator is a must-have. Practical, powerful, and budget-friendly. From a 1 to 10, I rate this tool a 9. Overall, I am very pleased with this product. The only reason I give it a 9 is because I feel that the handle could have been better. It could have had a swiveling handle so you can get a really good grip on it, but the handle it has works fine as well. But let me know, what do you think of it in the comments section below. Do you have this inflator? And if you do, have you found it useful? What do you rate it? That is all I have for y'all today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video.